Here's your hook, spring steel sharp point. There's your installation. This is a 25-pound weight. It doesn't phase it at all. The more weight you put on, the more it drives those points deeper and deeper in the wood. You can move around at any time, and obviously great on the studs. For me, it was the overhead space that really sold me. People forget about the floor joints up in the basement, up in the attic, your garden shed. Utilize all that space. Once again, just let go. That's locked on. We're making them right in Charlton, Mass. They're brilliant because they're simple. Let's move on to our barn. Let's utilize every bit of space in your barn, your attic, your garage. Once again, grab your hook. There you go. That easy to arrange and rearrange your space at any time. And how about your tools? Don't have any of them sitting out on the ground. Get every single thing up off the floor and organized. You can double up and triple up your shovels, your rakes, stuff like that. What about your bikes, your kids' bikes, your strollers? Let's get them nice and secure. Hang them in the garage, just let go of the hook. There we go. Our bike is nice and secure. This is our newest product here. This is our shelf hook. We sell them in a set of 2. They hold an 8-inch board. They'll easily hold over 200 pounds in the set. Just like our other hooks, your installation is simple. Go like that and like that. That's locked on now. If you don't like where it is, you just move it around. We sell these as a shelf hook as a set of 2, but a lot of people are buying them as singles to hold bigger or heavier stuff.